In this video, I'll show you how to recover a restricted LinkedIn account. If your LinkedIn account has been restricted, the first step is to identify what kind of restriction it is. LinkedIn says accounts can be restricted for policy violations, identity issues, suspected compromise, or automated third-party activity. In many cases, the way back in starts by logging in and following the on-screen recovery or verification steps. To get started, go to the LinkedIn login page and try to sign in normally. If LinkedIn believes the restriction may be a mistake, it says you should log in and follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity or request a review. LinkedIn also has an official account restriction appeal page for this process. If LinkedIn asks you to verify your identity, follow that process carefully. LinkedIn says account recovery may go through Persona, where you may need to upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued ID, driver's license, or passport. In some cases, you may also be asked to take a selfie so LinkedIn can confirm the face matches the ID. If you do not want to submit an ID, LinkedIn says there can be other recovery options in some cases. These may include using a notarized affidavit of identity or verifying through a work email address when eligible. That means if the ID route is not possible for you, it is still worth checking the recovery instructions LinkedIn gives you. If the restriction happened because LinkedIn detected suspicious access or a compromised account, LinkedIn says the restriction may be there to protect you. In that case, the goal is still to sign in and complete verification. If you believe someone else accessed your account, LinkedIn also has a separate compromised account reporting form to help verify ownership and restore access. There's also a special case for policy-related restrictions. LinkedIn says that depending on the severity of the violation, you may get another chance to regain access after waiting 48 hours and agreeing to comply with LinkedIn's professional community policies. LinkedIn also says you may appeal the decision once if you believe your content followed the rules. If your account was restricted for automated activity, like scraping tools, browser extensions, or other third-party automation, LinkedIn treats that as a violation of its rules and says it can lead to temporary or permanent restriction. In that situation, you should remove any automation tools. Then follow the recovery or appeal steps shown by LinkedIn. One important thing to know is that some restrictions are permanent. LinkedIn says that with a permanent account restriction, you will not be able to use the account or its features, and other members will no longer be able to find your profile. So if LinkedIn clearly marks the account as permanently restricted, recovery may not be available beyond appeal or direct support review. That's how to recover a restricted LinkedIn account. Try signing in, follow the on-screen recovery steps, verify your identity if asked, and submit an appeal if you believe the restriction was made in error. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.